What's up guys? For today's video, we will eat takoyaki and ginataang kasyang mais. This is the takoyaki. It's $1 guys. 10 pesos per each takoyaki. So let's try if it's yummy or not. Very yummy. Actually guys, I'm in the mini market earlier. I bought everything until Saturday. So I will not go out because it's always raining here. Later I'll show you guys what I have or what I bought in the mini market. But now let's eat first. It's so traffic earlier guys, you know. And that mini market is one way, so even you are walking, you still need to, you know, like you are in traffic like that. So you walk like a car, so slow in a traffic road. Mm. Mm. This is my favorite when I was in college. But when I relocated, I didn't taste it again because it's so far. I need to walk like 15 minutes or 13 minutes. Because when you ride tricycle, it's 30 pesos guys. So expensive now. But when you are special, when you ride alone, 40 or 50 pesos. Mmm. So yummy. Mm. It's juicy guys. Juicy and spicy. Now let's have another. This one guys, this one I told you earlier. Plus coconut milk, rice, and corn. Mm. So yummy. This one is 35 pesos. Mm. It's like $0.65 dollar. I didn't eat lunch yet and it's 5 p.m. here. So later I will cook. Mm. Thank you guys for watching.